In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify About Us page. About Us page tutorial. An About Us page is one of the most visited pages on any store, and it's where you build trust by sharing your story, mission, and what sets you apart. Let's walk through creating it inside Shopify, step by step. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. You'll land on the home dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, go to Online Store, then select Pages. This is where all of your static pages live. Click Add Page to create a new one. At the top, give your page a clear title. Type About Us. Keeping the title simple makes it easy for customers to find, and it looks great in your navigation later if you choose to add it. In the content editor, start writing the heart of your story. A strong structure is a short introduction about who you are, a quick origin story, your mission or values, and what customers can expect from you today. Keep paragraphs short and conversational, so it's easy to read. Use the formatting toolbar above the editor to make your content scannable. Add headings to break up sections like Our Story or Our Promise. Use bold or italics to emphasize key points without overdoing it. If you mention a policy, a specific collection, or your contact page, add a link so visitors can click straight through. Lists work well for quick facts, such as milestones or core values. If you have visuals, insert images to showcase your team, workspace, or products behind the scenes. After adding an image, include descriptive alt text to help with accessibility and search. You can adjust alignment, insert horizontal dividers to separate sections, or add quotes to highlight a customer testimonial. If you make a mistake, the undo and redo controls in the toolbar have you covered. When your content looks good, scroll to the visibility section. If the page is ready to go live, set it to visible. If you're still polishing the copy or want to launch it with a campaign, schedule a publish date and time instead. Finally, click Save in the top right corner. That publishes your About Us page with the settings you chose. You can return to this page anytime to refine your wording, swap images, or update your story as your brand grows. And that's it. You've created a polished About Us page by going to Online Store, opening Pages, adding a new page, writing and formatting your story, setting the visibility, and